Christmas Eve, 2015. And we're doing is the luminaries. You know, I'm not good at folding the bags. I'm opening the bags. But what's up it? So I'm dead tired and bacon brownies in the oven and opening up these luminary bags, which hopefully my mom or dad can fold down a little bit. Then you put the sand in and the candles, and then we'll light them later. It's 69 degrees. It was 70 degrees earlier. It's really hot in this house. So clearly there won't be a white Christmas, but at least tomorrow the sun's coming out. So that's exciting. 3:11. We went over to my grandma's at 3:30 to wish her a happy birthday. Just swap some presents and then go to church and come back here for dinner and then wait for Santa Claus. So that's what we're doing. How do you fold these without ripping it? How do you fold them without ripping them?
Oh, well.
I can't fold them, but I can open them for you. Oh, you know you should fill up your little Coca-Cola salt and pepper shaker. This is my brownie. My brownies.
The brownies are looking good.
Even though they're a round thing.
Yeah, looking good. Brown brownies. Getting up
Round brownies.
Brown brownies around. Brown brownies. Can you say brown brownie, brown brownie, brown brownie?
Brown brownie, round brownie, round brownie, round brownie.
Brown brownie is not easy.
Brown brownie. So I should sanitize myself?
Yeah.
Vodafone. Now that everyone's left, she comes out from hiding.
How does she know people left?
She's smart. She's a smart little cat. Cat in a buffalo. It's a sexy cup.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping to get myself. I'm jealous. Damn it, I asked for a suction cup, but I didn't get one.
What's it called?
What kind of a store do you have to go to for a suction cup?
This sexy cup store.
Damn.
Oh look, hashtag is save your store. Oh yeah,
The Mormons.
the good Mormon movies.
Mormons.
I watched a documentary called I Am Mormon. Oh no.
So were you in the room when the boys were talking about Santa and farting? Were you here?
All I know is Scott and Natalie were talking about the boys on gas and how they love gas. and that if you were farting, which my father said you might have been, in the basement, but Scott said it was balloon rockets, and Natalie said if it was gas, they'd be like dying laughing, especially Hunter, and said there must be something in the Y chromosome,
Yeah.
something with the gas. But I'm thinking, I'm a lady, and I look like a fart.
I know. Well, they asked me if I was going to have a fire in the fireplace. And I said, no, it'll burn Santa's tuchus. And they were laughing so hard about the tuchus. And then one of them said, if Santa farts and there's a fire in the fireplace, it'll be in orbit.
He'd catch on fire.
You thought it would send Santa.
No, he'd catch on fire.
So they
You
were-
gotta watch videos of people that light a lighter by their butt and fart. YouTube it.
Really?
Yes, it's hilarious. But yet they burn themselves. It hurts. But it's these stupid men. And sometimes it's like a big flame comes out.
I thought that was just an urban myth.
No, I watched the movie. Of course, not everything in the movie is real. But this guy was like at a funeral or something. He was in a cemetery, and there was like a candle lit.
Oh, come on. For real?
And he farted and he caught on fire.
No way.
So, but that's Hollywood, you know.
No way, no way.
But no, seriously, methane and alcohol, like what's that called? That that you use to make a fire, the gas. What's that kind?
Propane?
Yeah, propane and methane. You don't mix those two.
No.
No.
Not a good idea.
Mm-mm. Thank
Well.
you for giving me a section cut.
Yeah, anything.
I gotta wait. So about the giant underwear.
I know. What are we going to do about that?
About the they have to understand. They're getting brownies in the giant underwear from me this year.
Only the best.
It's the best Christmas ever when you get giant underwear.
Giant underwear may be funny by itself, but what's really funny is when Paul talks at length about the giant underwear.
I
that's when it gets
need to send him some.
Giant underwears.
Yeah, I need some the giant underwears and like the emergency kit underwear.
Sounds good to me. I'm not sure what the hell this is. Can you tell?
Another one.
It's too small to wrap.
Oh wait, this from my hair. Thank goodness. I thought it was a lip balm.
Is it a sample?
No, this is a product that I asked
Oh,
for.
you're kidding. I thought it was a sample.
No, it's from my
Oh, we're
hair.
going to lose it. Can we just put that up in your bathroom?
It's from
It's a way
split
too-
ends.
It
It's
is
called
way too small.
Shine So Bright.
It's totally too small. It'll get lost.
Woo!
See? It's already getting lost. See, these things look like you should be able to turn and go, moo, 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 moo. All right, so it's Christmas Eve, and Liam ripped off the tags. So I guess we're keeping the chair.
We can still return the ottoman.
Well, I could return it with the tag too, but it's just too good, right?
Well, Hunter finally likes it.
I
Because
think it's a key.
he was sitting in it and he was trying to use the bag as a blanket.
Oh, really? Oh, the thing's getting kind of flat.
So it never was full to begin with. But I asked him if he wanted a blanket. He did. I don't know why, because it's like 1,000 degrees in here. Maybe because I put the air conditioning on. And so I gave him one. And he was like, swiveling in it. And like him and Liam were reenacting the movie. And then we had a pretend snowball fight. And then Natalie came in and Hunter, she said something about the chair, and Hunter said it's a baseball and it spins.
Yeah.
And then Liam was
That's fair.
trying to make it go like this with Hunter in it.
I think we have to keep it. It's just perfect for all
You
of us.
should get a baseball ball.
Well,
No, it's a baseball.
a soccer ball, but the glove was cute too.
The glove goes with the baseball, or get a football.
Yeah, they're cute. All right, so I'm gonna put this stuff away and go to bed.
Santa Claus is coming.
Very, very, very tired. Very, very, very tired. So, I have to write Scotty's card. Let me do that now before I forget. And
It's a giant.
yeah, so
underwear.
it should be duly noted that it is Christmas Eve 2015 in New Jersey. And we literally put the central air conditioning on.
Yeah.
Because it's just so muggy and so hot outside. It's really the muggy.
Yes, it's like being in
only
Florida.
Yeah, what was it? 72 was the high today?
Yeah.
70. And
Finally went down to
and-
55.
but it would have been fine if it wasn't for the rain and the muggies. The
Yes.
muggies make it intolerable.
Yeah.
I woke up at 4:30 in the morning last night, and I was so hot, and I wanted to open.
I woke up all hot because I learned all the
Yeah.
cover.
So I got up and I opened the French door, and it was like, oh, it was so hot and oppressive.
Well, yeah, because you had your window
I
open.
shut it. I didn't, so I
But-
didn't open it. Then I thought, I'm going to have to put the AC on because
Yeah.
it was 68 degrees in the room and it was just so muggy. So muggy. Take it.
My God. Ooh. I don't even have sleeves on.
Mary,
What
get
the
you
hell?
Let your baby
Ow.
get born.
Oof. Christmas Day. No, this is not a sample. This is the Lush Shine So Bright Split End Treatment. Apply to the tips and something or other. It's supposed to help with my splitting. Yeah. Oh, it's all the presents. Just need to wrap the giant underwear. Then tomorrow morning, we open them up.